Hello! Today, or should I say tonight, we are going to be making a, what do you call this? An elevator prototype. I have this whole thing I cleaned up from last video. I feel a bit refreshed because I slept for 2 hours. And it is currently 10 p.m. and we are going to be trying to make a elevator that is run by Esp32 to display the IoT or Internet of Things and how it works. But first, I have here an Esp32. Let me just get it. I have an Esp32 and I am going to figure out how this actually works because it's my first time trying to use an Esp32. Okay? And it's gonna be more time lapse. So, see you there. Alright, I finally figured out how to control an Esp32. Basically, you can still use the Arduino IDE, which is the main application for uploading codes to Arduino Unos. But instead of uploading codes to Arduino Unos, we're going to be using this, the Esp32, which is connected to a data cable, a USB data cable. And you have to actually download like a plugin, I think that's what you call it, from the library called Esp32. But actually there's a problem here, which is that the file is too large that when you're trying to upload it, you're trying to download it, it just stops because it times out. So I fixed the code a bit. I did a bit of research on YouTube. I opened the code for downloading things and I set it the thing. I'm gonna get this a little closer. If you can see, you can't really see it, but I'm just going to take a screenshot of it. Basically, the code is not enough, so I added a 300-second timer for it so that the download has enough time for it to download. That's basically it. And I already tested it. And I'm just going to show you another screenshot of how I tested it. And basically it replies, so it's good enough, which is great. Fantastic. Now I'm a little hungry, so I'm going to cook some food, some very unhealthy food, and I'll be back later. Hello. It's the second day because I accidentally fell asleep while I was making that food, while I ate the food. Now let's continue where I left off. Now the plan for right now is to control a stepper motor using an Esp32. That's it. Now let's go. Right, I got it working. I have a power source here, which is a power bank, which supplies 5 volts into our driver for the stepper motor. As you can see, I have a loop going on to go 180 and then 180 back. There, as you can see, it's spinning nicely. And the Esp32 has the code. Now, my plan for this is to attach like a string which would pull the elevator up and down. So this time let's try and make that the actual elevator. It's not going to be an actual elevator, it's just going to be like a 2D elevator. So let's do that and then I'll come back to you later with some new codes. Oh, it is now almost 2, and I'm almost done with it, I think. Here, look. This is the whole thing. It doesn't make sense right now, but I'm going to create some designs on Canva to show you how it's supposed to look. I didn't make it into an actual 3D elevator. As you can see, it's a bit flat. Here, let me show you how it works. Yes, open this. It uses a power bank as its main power source. There. Once that's plugged in, the ESP32 powers on. That's controlling basically everything, and the stepper motor stepper motor driver is also powered on to control our stepper motor over here, which has this Sanrio DIY rope, which is connected into this DIY cog to another cog that's connected to that one. You can see here. This is connected to that stepper motor, which spins. When it spins, it directs the energy over here, which basically pulls this door. Going to design this, and once I'm done, I'll show you. Look, it actually works. Press third floor. It's going to climb up to third floor. There's on second floor, then on third floor. Now there's also a web application. It's going to be mostly for cell phones, but since I'm using my phone to record, I have this. See, it's on third floor because we just clicked third floor now. How about I want to go to second floor? Click that. Now, as you can see, it's moving to second floor. How about I'm gonna put the first floor? Let me show you. Alright, I click the first floor. Automatic. Very fast, if you ask me. It's very good, it's very efficient. I think it's great. It looks like a machine gun. It looks like a rail gun actually. And it works. Now let's get to designing. I finally finished the elevator. Here's how it works. It has 3 buttons. This is a simulation of the actual elevators, just a picture of me. Then when you click the third floor, the light opens to indicate, and it climbs up. Same goes for that. Of course, it can go down. Now here's how it works. I have a stepper motor over there. That's a stepper motor connected to a makeshift gear, connected to another makeshift gear that pulls the elevator up and down. And I also have this makeshift string using Sanrio rubber bands, and this is all controlled by the ESP32. So that means I can actually control it in my phone. I'm gonna show you a screenshot of it later. I'm gonna have video recording. This all powered by the power bank, and that's about it.